Hold on. Here we go. Leading up to the moment. I'm watching from a safe distance, ready to run at any time. Dude, come here. I got an idea. Come here. Dude, come here. No, just come here. Come here. Come here. See, this is what we're gonna do. Just stand here. Don't go up there because then she can't say that we were just picking on her. Just stand right here and just go.
No, because Mom's in the bathroom.
It doesn't matter. She's gonna hear it in the bathroom regardless.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm just gonna go up to the top step.
Okay. Hold it up in the air and go. Start your engines now. Do it. That was nothing.
I know.
So you ready? Aww.
No, they're still there. Fuck.
Try. It's empty. Uncut film.